Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email campaigns with Constant Contact step by step clearly. First, log in to your Constant Contact account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on Email to create a new email campaign. Select Automated from the available options. Choose the type of automation you want to set up. You can opt for a welcome email, birthday email, or another automated campaign. After selecting your automation type, click Next. Customize the email content to match your branding and message. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add text, images, and links. Make sure to include a compelling subject line to increase open rates. Once you're satisfied with the email design, click Continue. Now, set up the trigger for your automated campaign. For a welcome email, choose Trigger on Sign Up. For other campaigns, select the appropriate trigger option. Next, decide on the time delay before the email is sent. You can choose to send the email instantly or schedule it for a specific time. After setting the trigger and timing, click Continue again. Review all your settings to ensure everything is correct. If needed, return to edit any part of the campaign. Once confirmed, click Start Automation to activate your campaign. Your automated email campaign is now live and will run based on your chosen triggers. Monitor the campaign performance from the dashboard to see engagement metrics. Make adjustments as necessary to improve future campaigns. Remember to regularly update your email list for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.